Everyone's going crazy with this heat wave, even the park rangers. They want to book Silvertail, a stuffed dog. I've got some visitors, these bloody marsh fly things. They want to bite you. Get out of here, get out of here. Right. Always remember your bush guard, alright? Get your bush guard out. Give it a little bit of a spray, and these fellas won't like it. Oh, there we go, I've got one. Yeah, so remember that. Have your bush guard when you're out and about in your van. Well, no luck finding a co-pilot this week. Cooking and eating on the road is this week's adventure. You can always take the lazy option and go to Hungry Jack's. Or you could treat yourself at Miss India. That would be nice. Well, it's Miss India for lunch. A chicken korma. Yummy. And a food's drink. I've got a deep rehydrate. Bon appetit. But this week we need to try out the Gasmate cooktop. Southeast Queensland has similar weather to Florida in the US. It's very hot. We're going through a heat wave at the moment. And we've got to try and cook with a butane cooker that I picked up for the van. Let's see how it goes. Let's see how steak sizzles. $45 at Bunnings. Now available with rim vent release, RVR, with a 4.5 star rating. Cylinder cap. I see, you swirl it around however you like. Okay, so we've got that sorted. Non-stick olive oil. Always best in the pan to have it spray on. So, vegans, we've got steak. We've got beef porterhouse steak. Premium guys. So just pretend it's fish. Vegetarian restaurant in town. Okay. There's their one piece of steak. Meat. There we go. You do not need all the stove. Well, listen to that. Let the Gasmate do its job. You realise what you haven't got. I haven't got a spatula. So I've got the sharpest knife in the world. Better remember, I've got a plate up. Okay, I'm turning it off. Bench down here, well, you'll have a hole in it, just like my brother put on one of my lounges when I was younger. Down. Now this stove, that is really hot. On this side it's cool. On the side of the cylinder it's cool, on that side it's hot. Now let's Thai style salad. So the Thai style salad. Oh, look at this, you even get all the fancy little dressings and everything. But we want some of that with all the beetroot and everything in there. Look at that. We've got a few little noodles there. Oh geez, you're going to be salivating, are you? That's going to fill you up. Viewers, look at this. Going to have this meal all through a deep sink, but you don't want to use your deep sink. You don't have to. You just see that. I don't know if you can see that. One tea towel. World's sharpest knife is now clean. Looking at sort of posy. Fork's clean. Plate is clean. Both sides. Everything. Now as a good boy, and I removed the cylinder, and I put the red lid back on it. So a little bit here. This is the one I just used, and I put the red cap back on it, and that's going to go back in there next time, but in the meantime we don't want a gas leak, so got the safe spot. out of the way. Now the gas mate, well, what do we do with it, eh? What do we do with it? We put it back in its case, so it can't get damaged. We'll use it next time. Okay, let's get this right. Okay, that's all good. Instructions are still in there and I still haven't read them. So there's the gas mate storing. There she is. Goes back in the case. Anyway, that's going to have to be it. Yeah, so that's pretty good there. I had the rangers come up to me. Now I got the knock during the day. That's a bit of a weird one, a knock during the day. Silvertail just passed the test. You're not allowed to have pets here. There's fines for cats. You're not allowed parrots. You're not allowed anything. There's no domestic animals allowed here whatsoever. So if you come to the Bribie Island recreational area and the Banksia beach area, don't bring your pets because there's fines, alright? So you've got the heads up, you know what happens, you know not to do it.